like it could be a rainy week, Keith, which we need.
Yeah, off and on at least. We actually have some pretty good rain moving in right now to southern Maine or coming.
Right
I'm
now,
trying to listen to our little
Pitter-patter
roof here. Yeah, this is we actually installed this roof just for weather
rain.
purposes.
Yeah, of course. Easy.
So we can hear it. Some good downpours coming. And
Just as long as there's not a hole.
no,
Yeah.
we've got holes in other parts of the building. Our lobby, which is a really nice welcome to New Center, Maine. Welcome to New Center, Maine. Here's a bucket collecting the leak. But we've got some good rain just right offshore. So most of the state still dry. But look at this band. It's got a bit of a mesoscale, what you call a mesoscale, small scale low feature to it, which is pretty intense. And so on the sides of this, the northwest side, we've got some good bands of rain moving in through Portsmouth right now, into Kennebunk, and probably will get into Portland and Brunswick and Bath too. And so we need the rain. This is good. We could put down 2 inches plus of rain with this. This is really heavy stuff. So the trick will be getting it without running it off, which is sometimes what happens when the ground is really dry. A lot of moisture in the air mass. You could kind of feel it out there today, right? Dew points in the 60s, upper 60s to around 70 at some points. And so it gives you some idea of how much moisture is available in the atmosphere. And so that's why these downpours are particularly heavy through tonight. Models trying to figure out what's going on down here, but I think they're underdoing the rain. It will be heavier than this over the next few hours over southern coastal Maine, but it will eventually spin into central Maine and northern Maine late tonight, early tomorrow morning. By tomorrow morning, most of us will be cloudy. There'll be some fog along the coastline, and then we'll burn that off. And I think the middle of the day is actually quite nice. We'll be in the mid and upper 70s with a mixture of sun and clouds. Then once again, we'll pop up more showers and storms tomorrow afternoon, and those storms will have the potential to have heavy downpours because the air mass hasn't changed. So still heavy downpours possible tomorrow afternoon through early tomorrow night. Get that front offshore. Wednesday starts off cloudy, ends up sunny, and I think Wednesday afternoon is quite nice into the 80s. With an isolated shower or storm Wednesday too. So there's a lot of chances of showers and storms here, but they're not going to be all consuming as part of the entire day. It's just, you can see tomorrow the best chance is going to be in the afternoon into the early evening. And then our next chance comes in again on Wednesday afternoon, but that's very, very small chance of both Wednesday and Thursday. I think most of us are dry and relatively pleasant. And then one more chance of thunderstorms coming through Friday afternoon, but that front should sweep us clean in time for the weekend, which I'm optimistic about right now. I think the weekend looks good. Only thing to watch is how quickly that Friday front gets out of here. If it stalls by a couple hours, then we'll have to deal with some clouds Saturday morning, but I think that's kind of worst case scenario, and even that isn't so bad, upper 70s to around 80 degrees on Saturday. So again, guys, we'll watch this rain. It's such a delicate little balance here. If we get like 2 inches, probably okay. Get much more than that, we'll have trouble. It'll run off, and we'll have some slight flooding. So we'll keep an eye on that. But it's only one way to do it, which is
well, and it's nothing like Dallas. They got what, 17 inches in 25 hours.
Yeah, and we can't. Our atmosphere doesn't support that unless we have a tropical storm up here or something like that. Yeah. So we whine during the winter, but we do have advantages.
We're very fortunate, right?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Keith.